the personal brand is so important. So now let's talk about what is personal branding. So this is what I'll describe personal branding as, that you can maybe chip in. Personal branding to me is what you are known for and how people perceive you, right? It's really that simple. What you are known for and what people perceive you, right? If I say Coca-Cola, what are they known for? Sugary, dark drink with
I know that sound.
You get what I'm saying? Starbucks. What are they known for?
Green straw.
Exactly. You know, and also to what do people expect from you? So Starbucks. So personal branding is a definition of what you're known for and what people expect from you. Right? That is your branding. So Coca-Cola, we expect that we know is known for sugary black drink that brings that when you open it, right? And what do you expect? That consistent taste, that taste of Coca-Cola that is different from Pepsi and all these other different rival brands, right? Starbucks, what you're known for? Coffee. Coffee is really what you're known for. Like, that's what they do. What you expect from them, you expect quality coffee. And when you go there, you expect nice ambience and nice experience, right? So that's their
personalized experience, because they write my name on the cup.
Exactly. Chick-fil-A, right? Does Chick-fil-A make the best chicken sandwich? Probably not, right? But a lot of people will swear that they do. Why? Because they've made the food, right? It's predictable, right? What they're known for, chicken sandwich. They don't do burger sandwich, right? They don't do, chicken wings.
No.
Right? Is chicken sandwich. That's what they're known for, right? And what do they do? What do people expect from them? Quality tasting chicken sandwich. Some people have said that Chick-fil-A sandwich tastes more organic. It tastes more like you eating real chicken compared to some competitors. It could be true or not, we don't know. But again, that's what branding does. Chick-fil-A have successfully made people feel like if you want to eat real chicken sandwich, they are the one person, right? So when you think about it like that, you see that branding is so important. And there's those two factors of branding that are so important that people need to pay attention for. What are you known for, right? Sorry, what do you do? And what are you known for? So what you do is not you really telling people what you do. If after 2 years you're still having to explain so much what you do, then you've not really built your personal business branding well enough, right? People should be able to say, oh, Chick-fil-A, oh, chicken sandwich. Oh, McDonald's, oh, fries, right? Publix, oh, organic meat, right? Kroger, organic meat. People like Kroger because they feel like their meat is more healthy, right? Walmart, oh, low prices.
That's it.
Right? Target, what you say Target is? Bougie, right? Exactly. So those two things, I want to jump in a few, right? But those two are so essential. Yeah. And when you begin to understand it, it's a game changer. So you start thinking about this. What do I do? And what do people expect from me?
Yeah.
Right? Like with Vonza, what we do is there's a platform to create courses and sell digital products, essentially. Right? But it's all in one. I give you other tools. But essentially, we want to be known as the platform to create courses and to create and sell courses and digital products. So what should people expect from us? That is going to be dependable. It's going to be easy to use.
Right.
And they can scale their business from it.
Yeah.
Or to me, I feel like it's also, your branding should also be always in one sentence. So pick one. So if I have to pick one of those three things, I would say platform to sell courses and digital products as our branding. Then what people expect from us? Simple.
Simple, yeah.
Simple
That's the
to
word
use.
I like to use.
Right? Simple to use, right? So when you think about branding like that, you can say you can apply that to your entrepreneurship journey, your creator's business or your online business, right?
Yeah. Like one of the things that you said about Chick-fil-A was the chicken sandwich. That's what they're known for. And when you go through the drive-through, a lot of times they have the little poster boards that has the chicken sandwich and it says the original chicken sandwich. When you drive through, especially in Atlanta, you'll see the billboards with the cow painting on the billboard something funny, like eat more chicken. You need chicken today. Make yourself happy. Get some chicken. And it's a Chick-fil-A billboard. And so it's reiterating that message.
Yeah.
We're the king of the chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
We're the original. We do it the best. Even the cows say so.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's all branding. So when you're doing branding for yourself and for your business, you got to listen to what people are saying about you. You have to listen to the perception that they are getting.
Yeah, but I think it should start first from you.
Oh, absolutely.
The creator, the entrepreneur,
Absolutely.
that you first, decide or understand what you want to do and provide to people. Because if you don't, because sometimes too, people can kind of give you their own expectation of what you should be doing as well, right? So I think the first thing is to decide on what do you want to be known for, right? So once you decide that, that's what people will not perceive you as, right? Chick-fil-A didn't start by saying, hey, what you think we should be doing? Should it be, chicken sandwich or chicken wings or buffalo wings? No, they just, okay, we want to be so good at doing this thing, which is chicken sandwich. And everybody over time, they've been around for over 70 years. Over time, people just started vibing with that, right?
Yeah. And so one of the things that when it comes to your personal branding is being consistent with that branding, with that messaging, with how you're showing up. Because as soon as you start adding stuff and taking stuff away and doing this, like just constantly modifying it to an extent, it's going to be difficult for people to go along with you on the journey.
Yeah.
One thing we were talking about Rihanna that she was very consistent with is showing up as that island girl.
Yeah.
So the music would have a little bit of Caribbean flair to it. It would be danceable. Even the slower tracks were still, have that flair. And so you could really count on her for that. So whether it was slow, it was pop or what have you, that consistency in her branding was there.
Yeah.
And so that's the same thing with your branding, is having that consistency, putting your foot in the sand, having the consistency, deciding this is how I'm going to show up, and continue to do that. And when you do a good job at that consistently, people are going to tell you that's how they feel about you. That's what they get from you. And you can keep pushing with that, because one of the things that Rihanna did a lot of was listening to her customers. But of course, her customers came after she was first consistent.
Yes, that's the key.
With the messaging that she wanted to get across.
Exactly. So, rich friends, again, before we even go more into this episode was sponsored by Vonza.com, the easy way to sell courses and digital products, and everything else you need all in one place. So go to Vonza.com and check it out and start creating and selling online.